Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I found the Matchbox Dodge series and I'm gonna do a quick review and unboxing of a few of these vehicles. I'm not gonna take too much time and let's just get to it. Let's look at each one individually and then look at some comparisons. So I'm going to start off by looking at this 1978 Dodge Monaco police car in blue. This car has been around forever. I think there's about a dozen versions of it out. This is my second version of it that I own, and I've never opened one. So I think I'm going to open this one up. Also because I have two of them, so that's just the graphics. It looks really, really good. There's the car, there's the back. We'll have a closer look at that once we open it. And then just to show you guys the set, there's a Dodge Viper, the 1978 Dodge Monaco Police, the 2018 Dodge Charger, the 1968 D200, and then the 1958 Dodge Cornet Police, which is an awesome casting as well. So give me a second, I'm just gonna quickly open this up and we will have a look at it. So it's opened and we're going to have a quick look at it here. Just adjust the light a little bit. So chrome base, as you can see, side tampos, full detailing, sort of a grayish interior. Lights at the top. Really, really nice. Beautiful casting. Okay, so I'm just going to bring that closer so we can really look at it. Look at that. What a great police car. That is really nice. Oops. I love the chrome back. It looks really, really good. And then I just have one other version of it, and it's that one right there, and that's from the fairly recent 9-pack with the Lotus in it. All right, so next we have this 2018 Dodge Charger, and I think there's been three previous versions of this vehicle. There's been three previous versions, and I have two of the other versions. I'm not going to open this particular one up. Look at that. Look at the detailing. What a fantastic vehicle. Ooh, my camera's really struggling to focus in today. There you go. There's the back. 2018 Dodge Charger, really quite a decent set of wheels. And let me see if I can get the front there for you guys without any glare. Look at that. Really, really nice. It looks really, really good in the red. And then just to quickly show you guys the previous versions of it. So it came in blue as well. Different set of rims. The back's also been done. And it's the same back. Look at the detailing there. Looks really good. And there's the card for that particular one, and that is from 2019. And then we also have it in gray from last year's collection. Once again, it's really, really well done. These are my favorite set of wheels on this particular casting. It looks really good. Detailed back again. Just have a quick look at all three together. Those are really nice. So the one I don't have is a green version, which was the first version, and I think that was from 2018 or 2019. And look at that. Look at the card. Beautiful. I would have opened this if I had a second version of it. And there were two versions at Walmart. I was just not being greedy. I just picked up the one. Beautiful. What a nice vehicle. Next, we're going to look at the let's get the camera focused there, 1968 Dodge D200. So I think the original version of this car was exactly the version we're seeing here. So I should say the original issue of this vehicle is identical as far as I know. Now I don't have it, so I couldn't tell you if there are any small differences, but let's just have a quick look at it here. There's the back, the graphics. We've seen a few different versions of this. I've got an open version in black, and that's probably my favorite version on this. Just straight black. Unfortunately, there's no detailing at the back. Look at that. Side tampos, and then a plastic grille. Not my favorite. Makes it look a little toyish for me. I mean, I guess it is a toy, but I like my toy cars to look real. There's the back. And then I have it as a premium in this Skyjacker livery, which I think is either from this year or last year. I also have it in orange somewhere as a premium, but I couldn't find it. I looked for it everywhere, but not sure where I kept it. That's quite nice. I mean, these are quite expensive. They're about $8, and I'm not sure if this one's worth $8, but I figure this is a car that I'm collecting, and you can see the rubber rims on there. And look at that, there's the full detailing on it. Sorry guys, I've got a new setup going here, and the lighting is not perfect. I'm gonna have to work on it. Just look at the back there, you can see the set it's from. It's from 2020, sorry, not 2021, so a couple of years ago. And I have all those vehicles, other than the 1962 Willys Jeep, which I'm just not collecting. All right, and then we have a Dodge Viper RT10, -10 I should say. Not my favorite casting, it's not one I necessarily want to open. I probably wouldn't have bought it if I didn't have this channel. I just thought I'd purchase it just so that you guys can see it. Have a look at it. The Viper logo, it's quite nice, and then it's got a grey plastic bottom and no detailing at the back or the front, but it does have a tempo on top, and it's a convertible. Yeah, this could be way better. Okay, what else is left now? Finally, we have the 1959 Dodge Cornet police vehicle. Look at that. Look at the livery. Just really, really nice. This is a really cool casting, and I've got a few versions of it. I think this is my 4th version that I own. I'm not entirely sure how many versions are out there. I know there's a couple of versions from a toy show somewhere in the US that are, I think, pink and orange, that sell on eBay for about 50 US each, which I don't have. Look at that, look at the card. Just really, really nice. I'm going to open this one up because I do have a few of them, and I do display this particular vehicle. So no detailing on the back, and just have a look at the back of the card, the full card. Give me 1 second while I open this up. So I've opened it up, and it's on my spinner here. So there's no back detailing, or rear detailings I should say, but look at the side tempos. Incredible. Looks really, really good. Look at that, front all detailed, including the lights. That is a stunning vehicle. It's really well done. Just bring it up for a closer look. Oops. There's the back. It's a chrome bottom. That looks really sharp, doesn't it? Really takes you back in time. The wheels do seem a bit narrow. I feel like they should be out further. Looks great from the side though. Look at that, at the back it just looks like the wheels are not wide enough. And no detailing at the back either. And now I have several versions of this particular vehicle and most of them are open. I'm just gonna put them on there. Then of course I also have that version, which is from, okay, look at this, 2019 I think, 2020. It's close. And you know what? I feel like opening this guy up as well. Give me one sec while I do that. So that's been opened. It's part of the National Park series. And it says Superintendent Park Operations number 9. You can see the orange park with some sort of a wolf on there. Of course it says National Park US 11 at the back. Look at the detailing on the sides. Really, really nice. Gray interior. No detailing in the front. Lights are not filled in. There's the side. And the back is also not filled in. Of course, every single time today I've held it upside down. It says 59 Dodge Cornet Police, N39, year it was produced. That's really nice. Just gonna let them all whirl once. And then we'll just have a closer look at the white one and the black version that we didn't see. So this one is from probably a couple of years ago. It's also really nice. It says Matchbox County Patrol. It has a chrome grille and bottom. No detailing on the front. Or the back. There's a light, and this one has a black interior from what I can see. Every single time. There you go. Just a really, really cool car, and definitely one worth collecting. Well guys, apologize for the lighting. This is a new setup and I got to work on it a little bit. I hope you've enjoyed this video. You got some information out of it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you do like my videos, please do hit like at the bottom. Thanks. Have a great night.